Hey Sunshine, welcome to my very first vlog of this year. And this is how I'm starting 2026. Slow, quiet, and intentional. No rush, no pressure, just being present. Since last year, I've been choosing calm over chaos. Walking in nature helps me a lot to clear my mind. Every step feels like a reset, especially at the start of the year. Natutunan ko na most of the times, we don't need big plans. We just need a space to breathe. This 2026, I want to be more present, to enjoy small moments like this, to listen more and rush less. And after a quiet walk like this, I think we deserve something comforting. So, I want to share with you one of my favorite comfort food. After a long walk, nothing hits better than a warm bowl of ramen. This is Mendokoro Ramen at Mall of Asia, and it's my first time here. I love how rich and flavorful their ramen is. We also tried their burger. It's a secret or a special menu and sobrang sulit niya. Perfect siyang pang reward after a long day or like even a small celebrations. And what I really like about Mendikara is the quality. One bowl of ramen is honestly good for 2 to 3 people already or baka mahina lang talaga ako kumain. Of course, we also tried the gyoza, hindi pwedeng mawala yon. And the best part, they have branches all over the Philippines. They have in Makati, BGC, Alabang, Cebu, Quezon City, and of course, this one here in Mawa Square in Pasay. So whenever you're craving a real comfort food ramen or it's never too far. By the way, this is not sponsored. I'm just genuinely satisfied with the food. And of course, hindi pwedeng mawala ang Coca-Cola. This is the best partner, not just for ramen, burger, or gyoza, but I think for anything is Coca-Cola is the partner, or maybe it's just me. So this is how my 2026 begins. White walks, good food, and choosing what feels good for my soul. So yeah, thank you for being here and I'll see you to the next style and story habang ina-enjoy ko tong Coke and pinipilit kong ubusin yung ramen. As you can see, ang dami pa niya. Bye, sunshine!